Today was the second day for the provincial convection prayer at the Anglican old site Namugongo, where Ugandans have been urged to pray and seek God deeply since the country is now faced with many challenges which are separating the believers from the right positions.
And even the unrighteous shun from their unrighteousness. What God desires of us and what He desired of the Israelites is to seek for Him, is to seek Him just as He can be found, because He's not far, because He's near.
The Bishop of Kigezi diocese, the Rt Reverend Asiimwe Onesmus, while preaching, called upon all Ugandans to pray for the country in order for it to attain peace and unity.
God shall protect our nation from enemies, both within and without. Our borders are secure when people pray.
He also condemned the act of corruption which is rampant among the leaders in the government. He therefore called upon the leaders to avoid corruption.
Corruption everywhere. Public service, private sector, even those that are supposed to be custodians of justice are corrupt themselves. I have just read that Mitoma Chief Magistrate has been remanded by the Anti-Corruption Division of the High Court on charges of corruption. She was arrested today. So the one who is supposed to dispense justice is corrupt herself.
The very right canon, Dr. Rebecca Nyaganyi, the provost of All Saints Cathedral, warned all the churches that are under the cults to avoid misleading the people and diverting them from the gospel.
That really attract people and misuse them. They are biblical, and but they take them and manipulate them and use them to manipulate the lives of people. For example, when you talk about a cult, you're talking about someone who is utilizing if it is quoting the scriptures, they are quoting the scriptures wrongly. They are manipulating people, they are taking advantage of the people, they are so authoritative. They wanted to control. When they adopt you into their church, they want to control you and make you feel like you are nothing.
She also called upon the parents to guide their children in this holiday season on the right gospel, since they are exposed to so many dangers.
Parents need to make the children get involved in the church, so that you don't leave a child home from morning to evening and you are only subjecting them to the television, where they do not have the mind to see which pastor to watch and which pastor not to watch. Because the television is now open with all pastors of weird foundations coming in and speaking, and before you know it, the child is already taken. But also some people, some of these cultic pastors also move in homes, and so they enter your home as if this is just a good preacher coming to preach, and at the end of the day, that's not the motive.